Hi, my name's Zach. This is TradeLog, and today we're going to learn how to generate tax forms. You have completed your checklist, you have ended the tax year, and everything looks good. It's now time to generate your reports. In this tutorial, we will show how to create an 8949 report. The first thing to note is that if you have a multi-account file, then you must click on the All Accounts tab before generating your reports. Always run tax reporting from the All Accounts tab. Now that we are in the All Accounts tab, we will go to the top left and click All Trades to make sure that all your trades are showing. Then, at the very top, click Reports. In the Tax Report section, click Form 8949. The Form 8949 report option menu will display, and in the top left, we will verify the date range. Choose if you want to create an 8949 PDF attachment for e-filing. You will also choose if you want to include a statement that explains any differences there may be between your 1099-B and this 8949. If you have any questions on what these options do, then you can click the What's This button. It will take you straight to our support center and answer your question. Since all this looks good to us, we will go to the top right and click Run Report. If you have completed the end tax year procedure, you will have the option to enter the taxpayer ID, social security number, or employee identification number. Otherwise, leave this field blank. If a number is input, TradeLog will generate a report preview with the SSN or EIN in the appropriate field. You may save or print reports from the preview. The taxpayer ID must be re-entered each time a tax report is generated. Now that the report has been generated, there are 5 options available to you: Print, Copy, PDF, TurboTax, and Tax Act. Print allows you to print the report to be manually attached to your Schedule D reporting and mailed to the IRS or given to your accountant. Copy allows you to copy the data on the report and paste it into other popular software such as Excel or Microsoft Word. PDF will generate an Adobe Acrobat PDF of the report that may be used to email to your accountant or save for your personal records. TurboTax will generate a TXF file which can be used to file with TurboTax, TaxCut, or others. And Tax Act, which will generate a CSV file specifically for Tax Act. And that's everything. You now know how to generate tax forms.